Did you know that 90% of top performers have something in common? It's not their degrees, it's not their job titles, it's not even how smart they are, it's their emotional intelligence. While most people focus on IQ or technical skills, research shows that emotional intelligence is what really sets people apart, especially in how they lead, how they connect, and handle tough situations. In this video, we are going to explore 10 real life traits emotionally intelligent people practice every day. You'll probably be able to recognize some of these in yourself or get inspired to build them starting today. So, let's get started. Number 1. Emotionally intelligent people reframe setbacks into stepping stones. Emotionally intelligent people don't sugarcoat failure, but they don't let it define them either. They feel the sting, sure, but instead of spiraling out of control, they shift their focus. What can I learn from this becomes their go to question. Imagine being passed up for a role you worked very hard for. Most people shut down. But a person with high EI or emotional intelligence, they step back, reflect, and use the moment as fuel for growth. They're not overly optimistic, they're just resilient thinkers who believe they are not done yet. This trait signifies a growth mindset in action. They're not afraid of falling, they're afraid of staying down. Number 2, they stay calm in high stress moments. They are the person in the room who does not lose their cool when everyone else is panicking. It's not that they are emotionless, it's that they know reacting emotionally does not help. Picture this scenario. A major presentation is going sideways. While others are scrambling, these people who are emotionally intelligent, they breathe, regroup, and calmly take charge. Later, they process their emotions, but in that moment, they lead with clarity, not chaos. This trait signifies emotional regulation. They don't let their feelings hijack their ability to think clearly. Number 3, they can tell the difference between emotion and manipulation. You see, not every emotionally charged moment is honest or fair. People with emotional intelligence sense when someone's trying to guilt, shame, or pressure them. Let's say a friend always says, I thought we were close when you set a boundary. Now, instead of giving in, emotionally intelligent people pause and notice what's really going on. They can validate others without surrendering their own truth. This particular trait signifies emotional boundaries. They understand compassion does not mean compliance. Number 4, they know that silence is sometimes smarter than a response. Not every jab or insult or a tense moment needs a reply. And emotionally intelligent people know that a well timed silence speaks louder than a defensive comeback. They will not ghost you or, avoid you. They just don't waste energy on unnecessary drama, whether it's passive aggressive email or a relative trying to stir conflict. They pick their moments to engage with care. Now, this trait signifies emotional maturity. They're secure enough to not need the last word. Number 5, they lead with curiosity, not judgment. Ever met someone who asks questions instead of making assumptions? That's emotional intelligence. They don't jump to, why are you like this? They ask, what's going on with you? They know that behavior is often just a symptom of something deeper. Missed deadlines, mood swings, distance, none of it is taken personally. They get curious instead of offended. This trait signifies empathy and awareness. They seek to understand, not to blame somebody else. Number 6, they make people feel safe, not just heard. Being emotionally intelligent means people feel at ease around you. Not because you agree with everything, but because you listen without judgment and respond with care. You know you are talking to someone like this when you leave that conversation feeling lighter and not smaller. They won't rush you to fix you. They will sit with you in the mess until you find your own clarity. And this trait signifies psychological safety. People don't fear being vulnerable with you. Number 7, they don't let criticism hijack their confidence. Constructive feedback, they welcome it. Harsh critique, they filter it. Emotionally intelligent people don't take everything to heart. They basically know who they are. And that means they don't let the opinions of others shake their self worth and self esteem. You'll often see them pause when criticized and ask, is there any truth here? They use it if it helps. If not, then they let it go without any resentment. This trait signifies self awareness and self respect. They are open but not absorbent. Number 8, they choose their battles thoughtfully. Emotionally intelligent people are not afraid of conflict, but they don't chase it either. They know when to engage and when to let it go. Not everything is worth proving. Not every wrong needs a right. You will see them stay silent when others are debating just to be right. Because they know that winning a point is not worth losing a relationship or a peace of mind. And this trait signifies emotional discipline. They pick peace over ego. Number 9, they hold space without needing to fix you. We all want to help the people we love, but emotionally intelligent people don't rush to give advice. They will listen deeply without interrupting, solving, or even trying to compare your problem with others. If someone says, I am feeling overwhelmed, their first response is not, here's what you should do. Instead, it's, that sounds really tough. You want to talk more about it? That's what real support feels like. This trait signifies presence. They value connection over control. Number 10, they set boundaries without guilt. They don't wait until they are burnt out to say no. They don't over explain or apologize for protecting their time, energy, or emotional well being. A high EQ person can say, I just can't right now, and mean it with love, not fear. They understand that boundaries don't push people away, they create healthier relationships. This trait signifies emotional clarity. They know their limits and they honor them gracefully. So, how many of these traits do you already practice? And which ones are you going to focus on next? Please drop your thoughts in the comment section below. It really helps us understand you better. If you found this video valuable, please hit like and subscribe and do share it with someone who really needs to hear this today. I'll see you in the next video soon.